Hi, this is Neer. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to create a table in HTML. So if you need to create a table in HTML, so here table is a tag. So I'm going to create here table is a tag. Table is a tag. Another table. So I'm going to make a border for the table. So just to make the border, you can make from 1 to 6. You can more than that also can. So I'm going to add here 4. 4 is the border for the table. I'm going to make the table row. I make a table heading. First heading is name. Okay, so here the second heading I make here salad. So I create two heading for the table. TH stands for table heading, TR stands for table row. I make it in a single row. Okay, now if I save this file, if I open that the browser, you can see that. Just I refresh, it's not refreshing, you can see that. So I make the border for the table is 4 and name and salary is a column I created. Now I'm going to make it another table row. In that I make here TD. TD stands for table data. I'm going to place the data. Rajesh is the data for name and table data salary is 45,000. Same like that, I make more record. I just copy this. I make it paste. Okay. So now I make it 48, 52 and 54, 56. I make the name as Arjun. Okay. Here I make the name as Vinay, Gokul, Suresh. I had the record. I save this file. Now if you open that the browser, you can see that. So here I created the table which has records. So here I use TD. TD stands for table data. Okay, I make it table data. Now here in this table data, so if you need to make any background color, for example, this is first table row, that is for name and salary is there. I'm going to make it BG color is equal to yellow. It apply for entire row. I make it TR. In that I make a BG color. It apply for entire row. Okay, suppose if we need to apply the background color for particular data. So for example, Gokul is there. I make it BG color. So it apply for only for this TD. So I make here blue. It apply for only Gokul. It apply the color. So by this you can apply the colors or anything can. Suppose here, if you need to make, so previously we discussed on paragraphs. So suppose if you make a paragraph, in this I make a font tag. Font is a tag. I make the color is equal to green. Okay, I make the size is equal to 22. Okay, welcome is a message display here. It makes a text with color, text color. The same font you can add there for this TD also inside the TD. For example, I can make here for Google font color is equal to black. Okay, size is equal to 25. So you can make single quotes or double quotes also. You can. I make it black. Okay, I make it size equal to 22. This for Gokul. I'm going to apply this font for Gokul. Gokul is the data. It get applied. So if you make here slash font, it apply now. Gokul, the record, it get displayed like this here. Can. So basically you can do anything related to table. You can do with this table tag. Table is a tag. We can. Okay. Similar like that, I'm going to make here. So as per now we discussed on table. Similar like that, if I need to create list of item, if I need to make list of item, so I make here UL. UL stands for unordered list. In this unordered list, I make a list of item. I make a LI. I make a list of fruits. Apple, LI, orange. Okay. Similar like that, I make a LI, grapes. Okay. I make it LI, banana. Okay. So here I make LI, papaya. I make here the list of fruits. I added here list of fruits. Once it added, it display like a dot. So everything is displayed like a rounded dot. We can call this as a disk. Disk stands for it's like a rounded dot. Default actually unordered list the type it considers disk. If you not make disk also it consider default as disk. Okay. Now if you need to change this to circle, I can make it circle. Display here circle. Can you see that? It display like a circle. Similar like that, if you need to make a square, I can add here square. square. It add like a square. Can you see here? It's like a square. Display here. So by this you can make various things. You can do them. Okay. So it display here. This is like an unordered list. I display the list of item like unordered. So it not display any number or any like alphabetical values not display. Suppose in place of UL, I change here to okay OL. OL stands for ordered list. We make OL. Now it display default like a number. Okay. So the default type OL it considers a numerical value. We display here numerical value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this numerical value, that means actually type default it considers a number. Number in the sense 1. Display like this way. If you not add type also, default it considers a number. Suppose if you need to make the type actually the number I need to make like start from 4. If you need to make that, I can make a start equal to 4. Previously the number starts from 1. Now it starts from 4. We can. Start is an attribute. With that you can start from where you need to start. You can start that. That also you can do that. Okay. Similar like that, I change this to alphabet like A, B, C, D. So you can make A. Now if you make A, now it display like A, B, C, D. Similarly that I can make A caps. Display here A, B, C, D as caps. Similarly that if you need to make Roman letter, I can make an I. Display here Roman letter. Similarly that lowercase I you can Roman letter. So by this you can make different types. You can do them. So here and all like if I make a start, if I make here II. See here it not support. It support only for number. Numerical value only support it, not support for other things. Yeah, cannot do that. So by this we can make different things. So this is like a list of items. You can display the list of items. So one is order list, another one is unordered list. We can do them. Both it support. Okay. Similar like that. If you need to create a video player, audio player, I'm going to show you an interesting topic: video and audio. So if you need to create a video tag, so for example, I do one thing. I have a video. In downloads, I have two. One is MP4 video, another one is MP3 video. I just copy the audio file. Okay, I copy these both. I do one thing. I connect to this folder, my HTML. In this my HTML, I create a folder with the name new folder. I make the folder one is video. Under this, I paste this MP4 video. This is MP4. First one is MP4. The second one, I cut this one. I'm going to make one more folder with the name audio. I create a new folder with the name audio. In this audio folder, I place this MP3 audio file. Okay. So now if you see here, audio is there, video is there. First I show you how to load the video. Video is there. Under the video folder, I have demo.mp4 video. If you need to load that. So if you need to load that, here I make here. So here I'm going to create a video tag. Okay. So I'm going to make the controls. Controls is nothing but you can make like play button, stop button, like that you can make all. If you make control, it displays the controls. Play, stop, all icon, it display. Okay. Now I'm going to make the video player height and width. You can add the height and width also. I make the height. Height is equal to 300 pixel. Width is equal to 400 pixel. I add. And also I'm going to make the video. So if you need to make that, you can use source tag. Under the video, I put source src is equal to, I'm going to connect to MP4. So MP4 video, which is there in the same folder, / and video folder. Under the video, I have demo.mp4. I load the MP4. Okay, supports more like Chrome browser, which supports more like MP4 as well as OGG format video. Okay, now if I run this one, you can see the video player is there. It loaded the video. Okay, so this icon, you can see the icon like volume button, volume is there, maximize is there. Same way that you can find the settings. This icon is displayed because of controls. Here I use controls. Suppose if you remove the control, if I save this file, there is no control now. So you can add controls. If you make controls, you can see the controls you can. Okay. So now it displays the video player. So if you need to maximize, you can maximize the video. You can do that. You can minimize. You can. Whatever you can. By this you can make a video player. You can do that. So this, by this you can make a video. Same like that. If you need to make an audio player, same way. Audio. Okay. I make the height So you can make height or default audio height and width display. So here I make source. Okay, now I connect to src is equal to, I'm going to connect dot slash audio file. Audio is a folder. Under audio, I have sample.mp3. This audio. Okay, now I close this. I make it now. Now we can find audio player. Just a minute, it's not refreshing. Yeah, this audio. So I do one thing. After this one, br slash. After break the line, I make it next line. It's overlapping somewhere. Just a minute. I remove that. I comment this video. So if you need to comment a line, just select that line. If you're using VS Code, select the line. Press Control question mark. By this you can comment a line in HTML. You can. Now audio player is there, so it's not loading. I made a mistake. src. I load that src. Audio is a tag. Okay, so it's fine, but it's not loading. So here I make controls. I make here controls. Yeah. Now if you make a control, audio it has controls. Yeah, this was the mistake. I added here controls now. Now if you click on play, it play the audio also. So by this you can make video player and audio player. You can't do that. So by this you can do various things. So there are different tags which display different designs. So if you go for HTML, you must understand how to make the tags, attributes, values. These are very, very important for HTML. So if you understand HTML, then you can easily make that how to apply the CSS settings and everything. So coming video we discuss on CSS. So related to this one, there are many tags out there. So just try by yourself and check it out. So these are whatever the tags I explained for you people. These are very, very important nowadays for designing application. Try to understand, do more practice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye to all. Hi students. If you really like my video, if you enjoy the video, please subscribe and like my channel. So I need your support. Thank you.